that I had a bad childhood. No, you're kidding. Cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. 6 साल लगे थे मुझे. Not work. Everything is a lie in this world. Everything. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sanskriti, and I was not planning to make this video right now. So you just know that I don't have any makeup or anything, literally anything on. But actually, I was planning to make this video since 2 to 3 days. I was actually not planning to make this video when this particular incident happened to me, because I believe in not telling people nowadays about this thing, especially on YouTube, because there are a lot of people. I have more enemies than friends. That's all that I can say. So I just do not want to put my story out there right now, because I don't have a lot of people following me and everything. So that is what I was. Oh my god. Oh fuck. What is that? Is that a bat? Is that a cat? Oh my god, I genuinely do not know if I want to post this or not. Because I want to complete the story before the sun rises, before it gets dark. And there was a freaking bird which was very scary. I looked at it and I thought that it was a chimney. Chimney is a sparrow. But I think it was a bat, but I don't think bat looks like that. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna talk. I just don't care about anything because I need to finish this video. My storage is already full, but the sky looks so damn pretty. I'm sorry if I'm moving my camera a lot, but like, yeah. Anyways, basically this video is about how my account got suspended, and like, it's basically just want to tell you all that my account got suspended. And it's not really a big deal for a lot of people, obviously, but for me it was. So this is literally my 45th take, because I was deleting some of my videos and it's आवाज़ कर रहा है. Who cares? I don't. Let me tell you all. Basically what happened is always been into makeup and fashion and everything since I was a child. And then I wanted to become an actor for some reason, and I'm not calling it stupid, but I just wanted to be an actor. I just wanted to be famous. And there was this one quote that I still believe in, I've always believed in, is that if you are living a life and if you're just becoming like a teacher or like an officer, no hate against anything, but it's my opinion, okay? So I'm like that if you just become like a teacher or like something where only like maximumest 300 people know you, I don't feel like you've done a lot in life. Again, that is my take. I'm not hating on anything. If you do that, all love to you. I appreciate that. No hate, okay? But that was my opinion. I used to feel like if you live a life, you live your life once, and you need to be famous in order to, I mean, it would just make your life a little bit worth. I don't. And that is what I used to believe in since I'm not a child, but I don't know, like when I was in 6th, 11 years की थी मैं, and अभी भी I kind of believe in that, but like I don't, yeah, I kind of believe in that. I feel like if you are a little famous and if a lot of people know you, it would just, I mean, I just don't know. It's just my opinion again, right? So that is why I made an Instagram account. So I did not ask my dad or something, but I just asked my mom, and she was like, yeah, okay, what is the big deal? Now let me tell you, during lockdown I had a TikTok account. Say, call me cringe, I don't care, but I had one, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people had at that time, but yeah, I had. And I used to make videos, okay? I genuinely used to make videos. I used to like the lip sync videos and all the cringe videos, but I did not make a lot, because the day I kind of started making videos, उसके 2-3 हफ्ते बाद बंद हो गया था TikTok, ठीक है? I was in my village, and my TikTok got banned in India, and I was very sad, and I didn't know, like the news did not break out like मैं scroll कर रही हूँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है. I was not on my phone. I was just there, and I was listening to my dad, yap about something. And then my dad was like, oh, do you know TikTok got banned? And I was sitting like this, because I always sit like this. And my dad's like, TikTok got banned. I'm like, no, you're kidding. And he's like, yeah, I'm gonna delete it from your phone. And he just goes on and deletes. Like, I did not even breathe and he deletes it. Okay. And I'm like, what? No. And I'm crying. I'm like, no, you blocked it on, you deleted it on purpose because you don't want me to do something. And I swear to God, I did not remember this incident for the longest of time. But then this happened, like whatever happened right now, okay? And I was very sad. But then my dad like showed me all the posts and he was like, yeah, really TikTok got banned. Yeah, TikTok got banned. And I did not think about it so much. And obviously, I was like in fifth or something, so it wasn't like a big deal. But I would cry my eyes out or something. By the way, I am very sensitive, so I cry about literally anything. So I did cry about like TikTok getting banned and everything. But obviously, it wasn't like my career was getting, you know, demolished. No, it wasn't like that. I was just like, okay, yeah, it's all right. I mean, fine, it's part of life, because I wasn't that serious about it. I made TikTok for fun, and I don't even know what I have done in life. Like right now, I don't remember the time I was actually serious about something. So TikTok got banned, and then I started Instagram, I think within a year or two. And we were actually shifting from this one particular house. We were staying there for 6 months because the house that I live in right now, it was getting like made, like the interior was like getting done. So for that, we had to stay in a different house for like some months, which was our own house, but we had to stay there for some time. So we stayed there, then we were shifting to another place which was a little far from the house that I'm staying right now. I don't know if it makes sense. I'll put a mind map if you guys want, but yeah. And then after like I think 4 months, I got shifted in the place that I live in right now. Okay, this is all like 5 years ago, by the way. So 6 years ago, I was living in this one house, which was mine, but it wasn't a permanent house. Like it wasn't our permanent house. It was just like a house that I was living in for that time. So that is when I started. So the whole like living room, if you see it, I obviously that account is banned now, like disabled now, so no one can see my post. But if you ever see the before car pictures or videos of mine, they're like lip sync, and the whole living room is kind of empty because the living room car like stuffs has gotten shifted to the place that I live in right now. So this was the whole thing. As I started making reels, and it was fun for 2-3 years, and then I was living in the place that I was living right now, that I'm living right now, which is, I don't know. So basically, I was in the 8th standard. So this is after 2 years after I made my account, and I had like, I think I just reached 1,000 followers something. And the school that I was in 8th standard, so I was very new in that school. Okay, 8th standard like मेरे पहला ही year था वो. So what I look like a grandma. Anyway, 2 साल हो गए थे. I'm making videos and I'm in my life and everything. Now let me tell you something. Since I was a child, the family that I have right now, it was just not that great. It was not a child-friendly family, I would say. I don't know. Child-friendly, I mean, not like anything is to happen, but I'm just saying that even my closest of closest people used to hate me and get jealous of me and talk behind my backs. And mind you, I was not even 10, okay? So since I was a child, my mom used to always say that, oh, they're just jealous of you, don't worry, I have had it, you're gonna have it too, you are very strong. And I was, because you know, one thing, when your mom should teach you about life and about career and about cooking or makeup or anything, my mom was teaching me about how people are and how bad people there are and how jealous people there are. So it was, I won't say that I had a bad childhood. It was pretty decent, okay? But I won't say that I had a great family or I had great people in my life. I am still traumatized by all of the things that has happened to me in my childhood. So since I was a child, the only thing that one of the things that I learned in my childhood was that people are jealous of you and you don't need to let it affect you. So now what happens is, so there were a lot of people, even my friends and even my childhood friends, oh my god, I don't know if it's like just coming out or whatever, but basically I had this great big friend group in my childhood. and I heard like a year or two back, that they bitch about me, and they're like, oh, she's now rich and she's now this, so she has this attitude. And I was like, what is wrong with these people? So I like unfollowed them like this December, like all of them, because I was like, I mean, they never talked to me, never. Like, they didn't even wish me on my birthday. And I used to wish like their brothers, I used to wish their moms, dads, and like their daddies and everything. So that is how friendships were for me, because they were like my childhood friends. So I used to think that, oh, it's kind of double-sided, but it never was. So yesterday I was talking to one of my male best friends of childhood, and he was like, yeah, they bitched about everyone. So I was like, no, you also bitched me, but bitched about me. Anyways, that is what happened. So everyone kind of used to bitch about me. And I'm not saying I'm very great or something. I'm just trying to show the scar because it is so pretty. Wait, should I keep my phone like right here? I literally forgot my tripod and like the phone ka sticker. So that's like hate me for it. But yeah, this is pretty. I just hope I get like a pretty photo. Anyways, so this happens now. So since I was a child, I had this one thing in my mind that no matter what people say, I'm not going to let that affect me or influence me. So even right now, I do not go to people keeping, like, I just don't ask people for their advices, okay? And even if I do, I don't listen to them, because I believe that it's my life, so I need to take some decisions of my own. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah. So I don't let people influence me, and that is something I've taken from my childhood. So that first, and second thing, so in 8th standard, I had these girls in my school, in my class. They were like popular girls. No, disgusting. Okay, I just don't want to explain it. I'll explain it in another video sometime. But whatever those girls were was anything but popular. So they used to like tell. So basically, I was not in that group. Okay, I was initially not in that group, but there was this one guy who was in that group, who was my great friend, who is still my great friend, by the way, Arush. Just ignore it. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So I mean, like 2-3 of my friends, they were in that group. And I was in that group, but I wasn't in that group. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah. And then this one time, one of the friends like gives like a birthday dinner party or something to like 4 of the friends from the group. So they went on dinner or something, and मेरी एक best friend थी, ex-best friend, she also went to that dinner or whatever. And why do they want to do this right now? And मुझे बहुत जोर की बारिश आने वाली ऐसा लग रहा है, because something was lightning यहाँ पे. I don't know, and if it gets like barished, I think I'll just continue this video when I'm back in my home, but I don't know. Anyways, so this is annoying. I'm not like this. I am. Anyways, so yeah, so what happens, so there are these particular girls. There's this one girl, there's my ex-best friend, and there are 2 guys, okay, in that family dinner. So let's call that my ex-best friend Z, and let's call the random girl, or the wannabe popular girl, W, okay. So they went on the dinner. Now W says that, oh, by the way, do you know Sanskriti makes reels, and they're like so cringe, and everyone is like, ha, I know. And then Z was also like, yeah, I know, right? So she was trying to just get the tea out, which, by the way, you obviously know that she's my ex-best friend, and why would she be my ex-best friend? So yeah. So anyway, so they were like talking, and then W was like, oh yeah, she makes like really cringe reels, like she's in 8th standard, where does she live, how is her family, you should know, stuff like that. Basically, she called me cringe and she called me chapri. Now let me tell you, that same girl has started to make reels. Yeah, that is all that I would say. I would not comment on anything else, because I don't want to be like her. Clock it. Anyways, okay, so that happened. And then So she said that, and then like Zed, my ex-best friend, she came to me and she's like the next day she comes to me and she's like, do you know W said all of these things about you? And I'm like, yeah, I know. She said this like twice or thrice, and I just know, and I'm not at all affected because it's literally my page in my life. I would do whatever the fuck I want. Let me tell you, right now, I'm like 50% of the savageness I had when I was a child. I was the most savage, whatever you call it. I was just great child, and then when I became a teenager, like 10% I lost, and then right now I've lost like 50 to 60% for sure. I cry on everything literally. But yeah, so that time I was ditch. I said like, who cares? I just don't. And then Zed was kind of provoking me to, you know, fight her or something. She was like, no, you need to say something about all of these things, you need to. And I was like, yeah, maybe. So I just went and I talked to her. I talked to W. No, sorry, yeah, W. So after the school, I was alone with her and I was like, hi, so I heard that you called me cringe. And she's like trying to speak. She's like, no. I'm like, no, wait, listen to me. If you think I'm cringe, if you don't like my content, you could for surely unfollow me, block me. I don't think that my 1000 followers would decrease by your one follow. So I have no problem with it. And then I was about to leave. Trust me, I am not lying. I'm like, yeah, it's all right. And she's like, no, I did not. Listen to me. No, I did not say this. Trust me, I did not say this. I in fact love your content. Girl, like, let me tell you one thing. If I bitch about someone, I am very strong about it. I'm like, okay, I did bitch about you. I did talk about this behavior about you. I'm not like, I just don't understand these kind of behavior of people. But yeah, whatever. And that's why I never liked her in the first place. So yeah, so that happened, and even after that I was just like laughing and all chill about it. And even after my school, I was with my mom and I told her that, do you know, people call me cringe and everything just because I make reels. And my mom was laughing about it and I was laughing about it, and I'm like, we just chill, okay? I did not let it affect me at all. People to know that if you are doing something that you like and you're very passionate about, and if people are not liking and people are calling you cringe or whatever, I want you to still keep going. But the thing is, my story was not a happy ending. It can be, but I'm pretty sure it would be. But I just want to say, just keep going, okay? I just don't let it affect you, because it's genuinely, honestly, it is your life. And I just don't understand why people giving opinions about what you do. Like, I would never ever say things about what my friends do in their life and why is it cringe. No, I would not say that. No, not at all. But she did that and I still kept on going. In 9th standard, there were a lot of, let me tell you, 3 years of my life, 8th, 9th and 10th, were the worst years of my life. In fact, my whole school life was bad, and I always say that I would rather die than go back to that school or go back to any school. Go back and relive my school life. So that pretty much like sums up my school life. But so 9th was pretty hard on me, but I still kept going. Now 10th में बहुत सारा shit हुआ था, a lot of shit. I was actually not gonna talk about this, but I think it's time to talk about it. So let me talk. Okay, I've obviously changed my positions because this is a little closer and that was very far and I was not able to talk. So what happened is that this is a very sensitive topic, let me tell you. According to the environments and according to me, it's not sounding like very sensitive and everything, but trust me, this is the most sensitive topic ever, okay? So while I was in 10th, so I had a lot of friends. I did not have a big group, but I had a lot of friends, and there were these two like best friends, male best friends. I mean, they were best friends, and then I started talking to them. So we were like a cute little group, and we were together since 8th standard. I mean, I won't say we were together, but we were friends, and I knew them, and I always used to talk with them and everything. We were fun, we were chill, okay? And I never expected them to do this actually, but they did. So in 10th standard, in specifically July and July start, I'm just scared because I'm scared that someone might come and like someone might like I don't know, like I don't want to talk about this like right now because it is so windy and but this is the only place that is like nice at my house. Oh my god. Okay. I'm just scared. This sky is so pretty. The camera just can't like capture the beauty of this place, and there's a tractor coming and they are like my freaking neighbors. What happened now, let me tell you all. Okay, Sanskruti, editor Sanskruti, please give a mind map. Okay, so there was a guy, so there were these two people. Okay, let's call one P, let's call another S. Okay, they were best friends and then we were also friends with them, like me and my ex-best friend, we were also friends with them. These two best friends, we were friends with them. Now there was another friend group which I was currently in, which was obviously in my class. So there were a lot of guys. There was R, there was A, there was, I'm literally naming people anything, but there were a lot of boys. Okay, and there was one of the boys, let's call him A. Okay, let's call him Leaf. Okay, so Leaf is also in like my maths tuition. So, and we were like pretty best friends, like I used to talk about everything to him and everything. Okay, I was actually friends with a lot of people like in my class, and they were, I mean, especially boys. Okay, so now what happens is one day randomly, okay, let me tell you, wait, 10th when I start hua, this was May ki baat. Okay, and I'm telling you, 10th mein, I was very depressed. Uske pehle bhi there were a lot of people that were happening, that there were a lot of things that were happening in my life which made me sad, and I was very kind of depressed. So I was in with my earphones and I was downstairs, and then this one of the girls from my school, which was in another division, she texted me saying that, hi Sanskruti, I need your help. And I'm like, what happened, what's up? So she's like, so there's this guy, you know about him, so let's call him I want some like really bad name. Wait, let me think. Let's call him Demon, because he is. Okay, so what happened is this Demon, he was in my class, and what he used to do is that, I'm just gonna cut it short, I'll tell this in like another story time ekdam briefly if you want. But basically this Demon guy, he used to do a lot of things. He used to date on girls, and he used to do things, and he used to flirt a lot and a lot of things since 8th standard, since I entered the school. And जैसे ही मैंने एंटर करा था स्कूल, तो मुझे मेरे एक्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने आके मुझे बताया था कि ये बंदे को फॉलो मत करके ये सारे बंदियों को फॉलो करता है और बोलते हैं कि आई लव यू करके. So I was like, what is wrong with this guy? So as I said, I was very strong and I was like very like, so I just went to that guy and I'm like, भाई तेरी problem क्या है? And then फिर ना ये सब हुआ, and then फिर सारे लड़कियों को we like kind of ganged up or like grouped, and we were like, let's tell our teacher. So हम लोग क्लास टीचर के पास जाके मैंने ऐसे सब मैं ऐसे लीडर टाइप्स ऐसे एक्ट कर रही हूँ, मैंने भाई ये सब कर रहा है ये बंदा, आप देख लो इसको. She's like, so did anything happen to you, like about you, did anything happen to you or with you? And I'm like, no, but like he has followed me. So she's like, no, अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं है ना, तो ठीक है ना, तो you just block him. And I'm like, yeah, I mean, makes sense, मेरे साथ कुछ नहीं हुआ, इन लोग के साथ हुआ, so let them speak. So I was just, okay, fine, great, okay. And then so basically they were like, no, you just block him, it's fine. And then she just scolded the Demon a little. Okay, sounds really funny by the way, but it is not. You're gonna hate that guy a lot. So so that happened. So everyone, like मेरे school में almost सबकी image about Demon was very bad. He was like, I don't know, he was just a not good person. Okay, now in 10th standard, this particular girl from my school, let's call her Pods. Okay, she texts me and says that I need your help. So this Demon, he's in your class, do you know? And I'm like, yeah, I know. My grandmother is downstairs. Yeah, so she's like that, I need your help, do you know Demon? He's in your class, I need your help. Basically we were in a relationship. Pods and Demon was in a relationship. Like something happened and it was just not a good incident. So I was like, bhai, don't worry, I'll take care of this. So next दिन हमारी स्कूल थी ऐसे कुछ, तो आई वेंट एंड आई एम लाइक भाई नहीं स्कूल नहीं थी, आई हैव अनब्लॉक्ड हिम बिकॉज छुट्टियाँ चालू थी, समर वेकेशन चालू थे, सो आई हैव अनब्लॉक्ड दैट गाय फ्रॉम माई इंस्टाग्राम एंड आई हैव टेक्स्टेड दैट गाय कि भाई तुझे जो भी फालतूगिरी कर रहा है ना तो ये बंद कर दे, नहीं तो फिर देख मैं क्या कर लूँगी. एंड लेट मी टेल यू दैट गाय वाज शिट स्कैर्ड ऑफ मी, लाइक शिट स्कैर्ड ऑफ मी, ठीक है. बट ये मुझे लगता था until this scene happened and I was like, was he actually scared of me or like I don't know, ठीक है. So I was like don't worry. And then फिर ना Pods is like भाई I'm like you're just great, you're great. Now let me tell you Pods के बारे में मेरी इमेज अच्छी, like मेरे दिमाग में उसकी इमेज अच्छी नहीं थी because I was dating this one particular guy, she used to flirt with him and like it was just not a good incident, okay. So I never really liked Pods because of all the things that she used to do. And then after this incident, I did not judge her, I was actually very helpful towards her. But then after when I talked to like my best friend, she I just don't know, I was just like I can't explain it because it's someone else's story, I can't just go on make content about it. So I need something happened, okay. Now basically after that so वो बात पे I was very like I'm just doing this because my Dadaji is down and I don't want him to think that I'm making a video. So what happened is that so now like Pods is like oh my god bhai there's actually वो तेरे से डरता है, and we're like laughing about that man child, okay. He's not even a man child, he's genuinely a demon, okay. Like anyways, so that happened and I started thinking that oh my god I'm just like the diva, like praise me, like I used to think that, okay. And then after a month one day I don't know something happened, no so I had this partner who was genuinely very annoying, I never liked him, but my mom his mom and my dad were friends for some reason. And then he used to also talk with me because I used to get all the tea and I used to give him all the tea, so we were like enemies but like friends. Make sense? No. So he was just giving me tea, like school end हो रही थी, like last period था missed ली थी, so he was giving me tea and he was like do you know what Demon did? And he did something very disgusting. I genuinely cannot drop this over here because it's disgusting. I do not want to make this, I don't want my personality or me to be saying this on my channel, so no I'm not saying that. But it was the most disgusting shit that I have ever done, I have ever like heard, and my ears were actually bleeding. Basically in school he did something with a girl and it was annoying, it was I don't even want to think about it. So that happened and I was like ew. And then when my blood boils, it boils, and trust me when I say this, I'm the most easy to rage bait, and I just don't know, like when I get angry I just get angry. So what happened is I got angry, teacher leave करी and मेरा blood इतना boil करने लगा. I stood up from my bench, I went to, वो मेरे बाजू में बैठा था इधर, तो मैं गई यार मैं भाई तो समझता क्या है खुद को, तो पागल वाले ऐसे चमाट दूंगी ना, ये सब क्या करता रहता है, पढ़ाई वढ़ाई नहीं है क्या देखो, only you just do this, you do that. So I was just like all like full on gali galoch, everything I was doing, ठीक है. And then the friend group that I said, a lot of guys and me, like Leaf and everyone, so that they were like oh don't, क्या कर रही है, क्या हो गया है, ऐसे अचानक क्या हुआ. So I was like नहीं भाई ऐसे blood boil कर रहा था, and I was like am I crazy, why would I do that? But I mean it's fine, right? Now the same day, let me tell you, Leaf is like a guy, but he was such a gentleman. We're actually not talking, I just remembered we had a very big fight. I mean we did not have, his friend fought on behalf of him, but we had a very big fight. We're not on good terms, I'm actually not on good terms with anyone in my school, so yeah. Cheers to that, I love it, not hating it at all. But he told me, like I was in my maths class and I was sleeping, okay, like दोपहर में, so मेरे eyes आँख सूज गए थे and I was very like in sleepy and I'm still writing, and then I just entered the class and I'm sad and I sat, and then this guy, I think
at the end of the class, I don't know, but during the class or something, he's like बाजू में आया, मुझे इस बात करनी, so हम लोग literally class के बाहर गए,
and we've talked about this thing, and he's like and he says so Shruti, I don't want you to be hurt or anything, but Demon actually made your AI generated like nudes, okay. And I was like what? And I'm like I'm joking, I'm like नहीं भाई तू मजाक कर रही है, मेरे से हो ही नहीं सकता है. And I'm like क्या? And then he's like yeah AI generated. I'm like ठीक है देख लेंगे. And I always have that attitude, देख लेंगे करके, because I just know that like God's gonna take care. Like अगर तभी तक मुझे hit नहीं हुआ, मुझे hit नहीं होता है जल्दी, ठीक है. So I went home and I'm in the washroom. I'm literally in the washroom, and I'm like, and I'm thinking about what happened, what are the consequences, why is it happening with me, who are the people behind it, and I have cried. Very late, by the way, but I've cried. And then I like text my best friend, and I text, like, I was dating someone, so I was like, I text that guy, and I'm like, I don't know if I want to tell this to you or not, but something has happened. I'm like really scared about it. So मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया, मैंने बस मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड को बताया था. मैंने उसको वार्न करके रखा था कि उसका बंदा ना दिखे, like the text and everything. So, and then after that, the next day I go to school, and I kind of investigate or something, and that is when I understand. So there were these two guys, let's call one Leaf and let's call another Flower. Okay, so these two guys, they were friends also, they were like best friends, and they came to me and they're like, we'll tell you the whole scene. So what happened is that, remember those two best friends जो मेरे friends थे, P and S, 8th standard से दोस्त थे मेरे, those two people with Demon, they made my, and they were asking Leaf, Flower and the whole group, like the boys ka group, that, oh, do you want it? And they were laughing about it. And now one of the guys from the group, he liked me, like he had a crush on me, and he had a very big crush on me, so he was doing anything to protect me. I don't know, it's like sad, I shouldn't have said that, but yeah. So yeah, that happened. And then and then they're like telling me the whole thing, that this has happened, and you know, we'll tell this to the teacher, and bas tu nahi hai isme, there are two more girls. And I obviously shouldn't say relieved, but I was, matlab agar mere saath hota to fir mujhe, I don't know, like right now I would be in a very different zone. But because there were two more girls, I just felt like, okay, maybe it's just not me, or maybe not everything bad is happening to me. Let me tell you one of the similar, not similar actually, इससे भी बहुत कुछ बुरा हो गया था मेरे साथ when I was like, I think 6 or 7 years old. So agar if it was only me, I would have thought that maybe it's just me or something. I swear to God, I swear to my fucking God, I'm like shit scared right now. I have goosebumps. Oh my God. I'm gonna cry. It's just like sad. It's getting a depressing story. It is. It is a traumatizing story. But this happened, and then I was just like, okay, yeah, great. But then I wasn't sad or anything, because since 8th standard, I kind of saw this coming. And from the same guy, by the way, Demon. I just knew that Demon was gonna do something to me. I don't know, I just knew it. Like, you just get the gut instinct, and my gut is very, very, very strong. So I was just like, I just saw it coming from some. After that, my mom was very sad and everything, but uske baad bhi I kind of moved on to the whole situation. I used to deactivate my account, then I used to activate it. I used to post a lot of stories and a lot of reels, and then I used to deactivate it again. So for like the whole 10th ka standard, I did not really care about followers and likes. I actually never care about followers and likes till after 10th, okay? Because I still take my mom and dad's phone to shoot and everything. So I used to go to my mom and dad's room, like chupke se, and I used to take their phones, and I used to shoot it at like 12 o'clock or like 1 o'clock, and I used to go back and I used to keep their like phones फिर से, so that उनको doubt ना हो, सब delete करके, सब Instagram का account delete करके, वो सब करके I used to go back like 2-3 घंटे के बाद. अभी तक उनको पता नहीं है ये सब, ठीक. One thing which I think you might also agree is that, like, if you are doing the same thing which another person is doing, but that person is growing so much more and you're still not growing, and you're working like 10x harder according to you, it hurts. It damn hurts, okay? So for me, I have seen literally some of my close people be on Instagram for like a month, and they've gotten like 10k followers in a month, okay? 6 साल लगे थे मुझे 25k followers तक पहुँचने के लिए, by the way. So that happened. And then but I was still creating content and everything. I was very sad about how I can't complete that dream and everything, and my dad is not still supporting me. And there were just a lot of things, like, if you have something in your life and everyone against it, even the environment is against that situation, but you're the only one who's with that situation, it's just hard. It's hard, okay? So for me it was like that. My dad wasn't supporting, my mom was kind of supporting. Sometimes she used to get angry because my dad used to get angry on these things, and then I used to not be able to create content openly, but somehow I coped. And because like December is like 1 month, it's like so comforting. I'm actually gonna cry. Whatever has been happened to me in the whole year, which always happens, I try to cope up with that whole thing when December comes, and I did that. For me, after my 10th wala thing was really hard for me. So like after my 10th whole situation, like taking streams and everything was really so hard for me that I had to, I mean, cope up with the whole thing, right? A lot of brands that reached to me, but the brand deals got cancelled because of some things. Like for example, there was this one brand which is a huge brand, by the way, like a very big brand. They texted me, they're like, yeah, we want to collab, and they're like very chill, they're like, oh, you're so cute, you're so pretty, this that, all of this, and then they're like, oh yeah, we'll send you the products. Like I've literally chosen the whole thing, okay? They're like, yeah, we'll send you the product, take care, bye. All of this happened 2 weeks ke baad. I'm like, oh, so when is the like parcel or the PR coming and everything? They're like, okay, wait, let me check the team and everything. And they're like, and then after a week I'm like, oh, so did you get any update? They're like, no, not yet, I'll just contact. And then I'm like, yeah. And then after like literally 3 weeks, after actually 2-3 months, I have like, bhai, is it even gonna come? Like, I don't want to do this if this is like so irritating. So I've like cancelled. I've not cancelled, they have cancelled it. So I like completely just blocked them from my Instagram. So that happened. And then these kind of situations have happened to me a couple of times, and it used to be very sad because 6 saal se I'm doing this, and then I don't get any outcome. Like I do not have one rupee that I have earned from this whole thing. So what was I working hard on? Was I working hard on those people who actually loved me on the internet, which was growing throughout the years, but it just got like away from me. Like now I just don't have the people who have followed me before. So like, what is the point? Like, what are you trying to prove me? Happened, but two months ago I was just genuinely really tired about all of the things. I was very demotivated and everything. So I kind of was a little inactive on my Instagram. But then मैंने लिटरली रात को मैंने बहुत मेरे कंटेंट आइडियाज़ लिखे थे. सब कुछ करने के बाद आई वाज लाइक, ओके, फाइनली आई एम मोटिवेटेड. एंड फिर नेक्स्ट दिन मैंने सब प्लान करा है कि नेक्स्ट दिन मैं ये सब डालूंगी, परसों मैं ये सब डालूंगी, ये सब मैंने प्लान किया है. मैं नेक्स्ट दिन उठती हूँ, मैंने नेक्स्ट दिन भी खुद को से मोटिवेट किया. आई एम लाइक, ओके, आई वांट टू पोस्ट दिस. And then the next day I was gonna go to Wet n Joy, which got cancelled, but I was gonna go to Wet n Joy and I was really excited to go there. So I was very excited. So what happened, I was gonna, like, I woke up, okay. So basically I wake up one fine morning, Saturday को ही मैं वॉशरूम में जाती हूँ, एंड मैं ऐसे सोच रही हूँ कि अभी मैं लोनावला जा रही हूँ, तो फिर मुझे ये कंटेंट बनाना है, मुझे ऐसे बोलना है. मैं स्क्रिप्टिंग कर रही हूँ वॉशरूम में बैठ के. या आई डू दैट. मेरा कॉलेज था उस दिन, लाइक मुझे कॉलेज के बाद वेट एन जॉय जाना था, वो प्लान था बेसिकली. तो मैं मेरे रूम जाती हूँ, मैं मेरा फ़ोन लेती हूँ, मैं मेरा इंस्टाग्राम खोलती हूँ, मैं मेरे प्राइवेट अकाउंट पे सब ऐसा देख रही हूँ. ये मैंने कुछ तो रील भेजा था मेरे अकाउंट का, मेरा अकाउंट दिख नहीं रहा है मुझे. जस्ट स्विच माई अकाउंट एंड आई एम लाइक, वाई मेरे अकाउंट पे इंस्टाग्राम यूज़र क्यों आया है. एंड फिर मैंने एक्चुअली जिस रात को मैं बैठ के सब खुद को मोटिवेट कर रही थी, वो दिन पे मैंने देखा था कि इंस्टाग्राम उड़ा रहा है लाइक अकाउंट. सो आई वाज लाइक, आई नीड टू just secure my account. So I did put a verification selfie also. It does not work, guys. It does not work. Everything is a lie in this world. Everything. Like internally I just knew that my heart is just not here right now. No, it's not. Nothing was working in my body. Like it was just not at place. ठीक है. But still I did not cry because I was like, क्या होगा, okay, मैं बस एक चीज़ करती हूँ जो मेरी है, जो रोना है. और मैं नहीं रो रही थी मेरे को, बिकॉज आई वॉज टायर्ड ऑफ क्राइंग. आई यूज टू ऑलवेज क्राई, एंड मैं जब भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स को मिलती थी मैं यही बोलती थी कि भाई कंटेंट क्रिएशन से ये हो रहा है, मेरे को ब्रांड्स नहीं आ रहे, मेरे फॉलोअर्स नहीं बढ़ रहे, मेरे लाइक्स नहीं हो रहे, मेरे को ये लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं. ये सब होता था मेरे लाइक. मैं हर मीट पे मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ ये बातें करती थी. सो नाउ द डे वी कैन मीट, लाइक अगर आप लोग कभी मिल रहे हैं तो मैं ये बताऊँगी मेरा अकाउंट उड़ा गया, और फिर मैं उसके बारे में सब डिप्रेस्ड हूँ. ये नहीं करना था मुझे, बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी टायर्ड about this whole situation that was happening, right? I come out of my room and my mom just gets like, she understands that I'm sad. So she's like, what happened? Why are you sad? So I did not tell her, but then फिर मैं मेरे भाई के पास, मेरी मम्मी के पास आके मैंने सब बता दिया कि मैं अकाउंट को सस्पेंड you'll get it, you'll get it, oh my god. And my mom's like all hyper, she's like, what? Oh my god, that is crazy, ये वो ये वो. So my mom was like, don't worry, don't cry, it's fine, it's fine. And my mom was leaving like college के like ऑटो रिक्शा के स्टैंड के यहाँ पे. तो मेरी मम्मी बोलते भाई तू रो मत, ठीक है, तू you because you cry a lot, you attract a lot of negative energy, that is why negative problems are coming in your life. And I was like, okay, I need to like stop myself. But let me tell you, I did not cry the whole time, okay. ऑटो में बैठी हूँ, I have just entered station, like in my auto, okay, and I'm bawling my freaking eyes out, like मैं इतनी गंदी रो रही थी ऑटो में बैठ के. एंड दिस इज़ ऑलवेज हैपन टू मी, मैं हमेशा ऑटो में गंदी रोती हूँ, ठीक है. सो मैं बहुत रो रही हूँ. एंड देन I go to the station, I'm all nice, I come back and I'm trying to feel better. But फिर भी मैं ट्रेन में बैठ के भी मैं गाने नहीं सुन रही हूँ, तो भी मेरी आँखों में आंसू आ रहे. That is how my situation was. But I did not text anyone at that time. But फिर मैंने मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड को text किया. And then you know the worst part is that I genuinely really wanted to go somewhere, take a vacation, because my mind was full of thoughts the whole year. क्योंकि मैं कहीं घूमने नहीं गई हूँ 1 साल से, 2-3 साल से, 2 साल से, ठीक है. सो मुझे जनरली वेट एन्जॉय जाना था. उसके बाद मुझे कोई तो दूसरी प्लान करनी थी, बट मुझे वेट एन्जॉय जाना था बस. तो मैं जैसे ही मेरे रूम से बाहर आई हूँ, मेरे पापा बोलते हैं कि नहीं आज नहीं जाने वाले, मुझे ठीक नहीं लग रहा. सो मैं इतनी इरिटेट हो गई थी वो बात से कि वॉज नथिंग वर्किंग आउट इन माई फेवर नाउ. अभी अपील डाला था मैंने, तो मैंने सोचा कि अपील हो जाएगा, बट वो कभी तो आई थिंक 11th को वो अपील नहीं एक्सेप्ट हुआ. तो फिर मैंने फिर से सेकेंड अपील डाला है, बिकॉज आई डो नॉट हैव माई पासपोर्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. आई डिड नॉट हैव इट रेडी till that day. Right now I have ready, because वो टाइम पे like the process was working, ठीक है. सो मैंने पासपोर्ट वगैरह में आधार कार्ड, second time I sent it, the second time also they're like no, now your account is permanently disabled, this is the screenshot. Love you all. Yeah, but that happened. And then this happened on May 13, and May 13 is a very special date for me. I don't know why, but I just love that date, and I used to always feel happy whenever May 13 used to come. But then this happened, so now it's not a good day. So yeah, and then that happened. I was very sad. I was crying the whole time. But I feel like even if I tell people, and you know the worst part is when like at night when I got motivated and everything, that is when I checked my mails and I got like brand deals from international brands and from a very good media like agency, and they wanted to like be with me and everything. Like these were big brands. And then 2 days बाद में my account gets suspended. So maybe I don't know, like I could not even take this as a god sign that maybe I shouldn't have worked with that brand because it wasn't a good brand. But the thing is that why would God just take away the 25,000 people that followed me and they genuinely loved me, because they used to message me. There were so many people, they literally commented that oh my god, we love your content. But now somehow I just don't have those people. But anyways, I've created another account, and I have said this in Mira before like YouTube, and I've said ki I won't make content again if I lose this account, but I am doing it anyway because this is the only thing that is mine and the only thing that I enjoy doing. So yeah, I'm doing it right now. I'm doing it again. This is the second that I'm doing, and the worst part is like everything was fine. I'm ready to work hard. I don't have a problem with it. Like the thing is that whenever I do anything in my life, I like, for example, if I'm giving an exam, I'd fail in that exam and then I have to give a retest, and wo retest mein I would pass. For everything I do in my life, I have to give that thing 2 chances, and the second chance definitely works. But for me, the problem is, why would it not work in the first time? Was I not working hard? I was working for 5 years. Instagram, this is wrong. So I genuinely do not know why my account got suspended, but yeah, that is my story. Bye bye. Subscribe, like. I'm getting late. My mom and dad are calling me.